So today we're gonna install a ladder from Surco. It's the cheapest ladder we can find, and we see pretty good reviews. So let's try it. So far we did so many mistakes, so we're not gonna have any mistake on this one.
Once you've screwed everything in, you're going to want to use some kind of sealant. We are using a Dynaflex white sealant silicone.
It's not the cutest and the perfect thing, but it's gonna do the...
Yeah, it'll protect it from rust and mold and blah blah blah, so it does the trick. We got everything all attached, pretty excited. This is the last step. Technically it only takes 30 minutes to dry.
Don't forget to...
Oh yeah, gotta wash your hands.
No, don't wash your hands. It's for being not sticking on your finger.
Oh. Look at that. Tips and tricks. More hand.
I can have some people now. Badass. So far so good. We see in few minutes, but pretty bad.
Mm-hmm.
Get up and down and go. Right now, hitting the garage. Hey, amazing.
Look at that.